and Elica are the biggest domestic extraction company in the world. It's what they do it best, and Wellingtons Electrical are really pleased to be able to offer their whole range nationwide with free delivery. So please, if you're interested in Elica hoods, do come to our website, so Wellingtons Home Electrical. Give us a call on 01322 344 100, or you can use our live chat. We'd be really happy to help you. We've got a lot of knowledge on hoods, and we've got superb backing from the company. So just a quick review of some of their slightly funkier hoods. Obviously, I've had a few customers that have wanted black hoods in the past and not the angled hood. So there's something available. This would be classed as a flat hood in a really nice satin black. White, this is white glass, white chimney. Again, quite a niche product. And then above us, these recirculating hoods, which hang down, are, you know, a real eyeful of product. You know, if you want something that's going to stand out, give your kitchen the wow factor, I think Elica have got it, with superb quality, great pricing, and Wellingtons Electrical will be so happy to help you. So that's Wellingtons Home Electrical, or give us a call on 01322 344 100.